So let's go back to the week 11 folder and take a look at the project. A lot of the information here is written. I'm not going to, there's really no need for me to repeat it, just to read it to you. But I do want to mention that there are quite a few examples of infographics, and the examples in the project are all showing these comparison or versus type of infographics. So it's, one thing versus something else, like pitting them against each other. I want you to really take a look at these and see what's working on these techniques and ways that the designers have used colors, the way that they've used these graphic images to represent numerical data and to make it more interesting than just maybe kind of just a bar graph. So scroll through these and take a look. You'll notice that all of the examples that I have here are quite long. These are all meant for viewing on the web, and these are all smaller than 100% size, so don't get the idea that type this size is acceptable, really tiny type. So just because these are really long and some of them are quite complex, don't get intimidated by that. Just use these for inspiration. You're going to compare two different things, decide on some data points that you want to compare, develop some infographics, and then lay them out in a pleasing way. Just focus on your information and don't worry about trying to make it this is quite a complex infographic, and it's great to glean some ideas and get some inspiration, and maybe you can look at this and say, hey, this is maybe a way that I might want to present some of the data, but the expectation is not that you're going to create a gigantic infographic with dozens of different data points on it. That's just way too complicated. So let's try to keep it simple. My recommendation is that before you start the micro project and project 5, that you familiarize yourself with data visualization using infographics, and click on this folder and watch the videos and click on the links and get a sense of what infographics are all about. So any questions, send me an email, and as I said, I am usually able to respond within a day. Have a good week.